Welcome to the ultimate guide to personal finance books, the secret weapon for mastering your finances. In this video, we'll take you on an exhilarating journey through the world of personal finance books, where you'll discover how to take control of your financial future and achieve your wildest dreams. From saving for that dream vacation to building your investment portfolio, personal finance books offer invaluable knowledge and insights that can help you reach your goals. But which books are right for you? We'll explore the different types of personal finance books available, from best-selling classics to cutting-edge titles, and reveal the best ones to add to your reading list. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's embark on an epic adventure into the world of personal finance books. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a best-selling personal finance book that offers a step-by-step plan to help readers achieve financial freedom. The book is based on Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps framework, which provides a clear roadmap for getting out of debt, building wealth, and achieving financial independence. Here are some of the key concepts discussed in the book. The Debt Snowball Method. This method is a debt reduction strategy that involves paying off your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. The importance of budgeting. This is a critical component of financial success, according to Ramsey. He encourages readers to create a monthly budget and stick to it, which can help them avoid overspending, stay on track with their financial goals, and build wealth over time. Emergency Fund. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. He recommends saving $1,000 as a starter emergency fund, then working towards a fully funded emergency fund of 3-6 months of living expenses. Investing for retirement. Ramsey advocates for investing in tax-advantaged retirement accounts. He suggests investing at least 15% of your income towards retirement. Building wealth. Ramsey encourages readers to build wealth through smart investing, real estate, and entrepreneurship. He provides practical advice on how to build wealth and become financially independent. Reading personal finance books like this one is important because it provides valuable knowledge and guidance on how to manage your finances effectively. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a groundbreaking personal finance book that challenges conventional wisdom about wealth and money. The book explores the concept of financial independence and provides a unique perspective on how to achieve it. Kiyosaki defines financial independence as the ability to live off of your passive income from assets without having to work for money. He argues that achieving financial independence requires a different mindset and a willingness to take calculated risks. The book also challenges the traditional view of education and how it relates to financial success. Kiyosaki argues that schools do not teach us about money and that financial education is crucial for achieving financial independence. One of the key concepts explored in the book is the cash flow quadrant, which is a framework for understanding the different ways people can earn money. The 4 quadrants are employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Kiyosaki suggests that the goal should be to move from the left side, employee and self-employed, to the right side, business owner and investor, to achieve financial independence. Overall, Rich Dad Poor Dad challenges readers to think differently about wealth and money, and provides practical advice on how to achieve financial independence through education, asset building, and a shift in mindset. It is a must-read for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and build lasting wealth. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is a classic personal finance book that explores the habits of the wealthy and how they build and maintain their wealth over the long term. The book is based on extensive research conducted by the authors, who interviewed hundreds of millionaires to understand their habits, attitudes, and behaviors. The book challenges the popular stereotype of the wealthy as flashy spenders and instead portrays them as frugal and financially responsible individuals who live below their means. The authors argue that the key to building wealth is not just earning a high income, but also developing good financial habits and investing wisely over the long term. Some of the key insights from the book include: live below your means. The authors found that many millionaires are frugal and prefer to invest their money rather than spending it on flashy cars, houses, and other luxury items. Saving and investing. Many millionaires are disciplined savers and investors who focus on building long-term wealth. And lastly, entrepreneurship. The authors found that many millionaires are self-made entrepreneurs who started small businesses and grew them over time. Overall, The Millionaire Next Door is a great resource for anyone looking to build wealth over the long term. The book provides valuable insights and practical advice based on extensive research and interviews with real millionaires. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book is a personal finance book that explores the concept of financial independence and emphasizes the importance of aligning your spending with your values. The book defines financial independence as the state of having enough money to support your desired lifestyle without the need for paid employment. The authors argue that achieving financial independence requires a shift in mindset from viewing money as a means to acquire material possessions to seeing it as a tool to support a fulfilling life. The book proposes a 9-step program for achieving financial independence, which includes tracking your expenses, calculating your true hourly wage, and reducing your spending in order to save and invest more. The authors also introduce the idea of the crossover point, which is the point at which your investment income exceeds your expenses, and you no longer need to rely on paid employment for income. Overall, Your Money or Your Life is a thought-provoking book that challenges conventional notions of wealth and encourages readers to think critically about their relationship with money. The book provides a practical roadmap for achieving financial independence and emphasizes the importance of aligning your spending with your values in order to live a more fulfilling life. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book is a personal finance book that explores the concept of financial independence and emphasizes the importance of investing in low-cost index funds. The author argues that actively managed mutual funds, which have higher fees and lower returns, are not a good investment choice for most people. Instead, he recommends investing in low-cost index funds, which offer broad diversification and low fees. Overall, The Simple Path to Wealth is a straightforward and practical guide to achieving financial independence through smart investing. By following the author's advice and committing to a simple, disciplined investment strategy, readers can increase their chances of achieving financial independence and living a more fulfilling life. Personal finance books can be a powerful tool for improving your financial situation and achieving your long-term goals. Whether you're interested in achieving financial independence, getting out of debt, or simply learning more about how to manage your money effectively, there is a wealth of valuable information and insights to be found in these books. So, I encourage you to set a goal to read at least one personal finance book in the next month and commit to implementing some of the ideas and strategies you learn. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more great content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the topic. We love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.